Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing exactly what clip you need and why. That focus saves time. Once done, assemble specific search terms, character names, episode numbers, and unique phrases. Make sure to set technical constraints like resolution and duration before searching, because that filters results fast. You should also pick which platforms to search first, official streaming then public uploads, so you prioritize legal, high-quality footage while keeping alternatives ready. You now run precise searches using quotes, site filters, and file type options to cut noise. As you search, scan subtitles and transcripts or community timestamps to zero in on the exact moment. That saves downloads. Once you find candidates, preview them and compare quality, frame rate, and audio sync. If results are messy, broaden or narrow terms and use related language keywords. This iterative refinement yields the best clip faster. You should get the clip using approved download or screen record tools, capturing the requested resolution and timestamps. Once acquired, open it in an editor, trim to the exact frames, correct color or audio as needed, and export in the desired format while preserving an untouched master. If something goes wrong, missing frames or audio drift, recheck the source, re-record with a different player, or use a lower compression setting to prevent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.